Coffee shop counter. Printed QR, you scan it. Chrome opens, 3 redirects, you copy the wallet address, you open MetaMask, you paste it, you type the amount, you hit send. By that point, the coffee is cold. AIBIZ ships a native Android app. Open the docs page, click Android app download, 13 megabytes, signed release, sideloaded. The app icon lands on your home screen. The fun part is universal links. Every AIBIZ.1bz.biz/pay/name URL is verified against the app's assetlinks.json. So when you scan a QR pointing at one, Android opens the AIBIZ app directly, not Chrome. The send form pre-fills. Recipient Alice.AIBIZ. Token us. Amount is $4.50. You tap pay. The transaction confirms on Polygon in 3 seconds. The coffee is still hot. The app is a capacitor shell over the wallet.html page, so every web update lands in the app automatically. No re-release. No store update prompt. Sideload now, sign up for nothing, and your phone becomes a name-native payment terminal. AIBIZ, scan, tap, paid. Download at AIBIZ.1bz.biz/download/AIBIZandroid.app.